In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you our favourite Osmo Nano accessories, starting off with these furry little things. So our first accessory is one that's going to reduce the risk of wind noise ruining our audio. And this is the product here. It's double-sided sticky pads and wind muffs to cover up the microphones on the Osmo Nano. Now on the Osmo Nano we have microphones on the top and one forward facing. You simply press on a double-sided sticky pad, then take one of the wind muffs and then apply it to the double-sided sticky pad. Repeat this on the other microphones, and now you've given your Osmo Nano a haircut and also a beard. These are particularly handy if you're a vlogger that records outside some of the time and you want to reduce that risk of wind noise. Next up is an accessory I take with me all the time when I'm using my Osmo Nano. Yep, and that's right, it's simply a small power bank. With the Osmo Nano coming without any replaceable batteries, it's essential that you take extra power with you, because once that monitor module runs out of power, there's no way of getting extra charge to the camera module. The way I have it set up is the monitor module in my pocket or in my bag, attached to the power bank, constantly topping up with power, and when the camera module needs a boost, I simply reattach it. Next up we have an accessory that's going to offer extra protection to our Osmo Nano. And yes, that's a protective cage. And the one that I've been using is by a company called Flymile. Again, I'll link it down in the description down below. But what I really like about this cage is it's easy to use, lightweight, fits the Osmo Nano perfectly, and offers so much more protection. Another thing I particularly like is it comes with an extra safety feature, and that is a lock-in pin for the latch, making sure that the cage will never open. It also retains DJI's mounting system on the bottom of the cage. Comes with a cold shoe mount on the side, and all the buttons that are on the Nano are still fully accessible. Oh, and your Osmo Nano can fit into the cage either forwards or backwards, and both camera and monitor modules can be facing in different directions. Now Flymile also produce their own quick switch mount for DJI products, and it's much more heavy duty than the standard version. If you are considering buying a cage for your Nano, or you use your Nano in extreme conditions, say on a mountain bike or on a motorbike, then this heavy duty quick switch mount really is a must. You have that extra reassurance that if you bang, knock or crash with your Osmo Nano, the mounting system isn't going to snap. Another added benefit of using this heavy duty mount is it also has retractable prongs, and it also has a 3/4 thread for mounting it onto other accessories. Remembering also that it doesn't necessarily have to be used with a cage. Now if you're enjoying this video, please give it a big thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button down there. Next up we have a free accessory that actually comes with your Osmo Nano. Now whilst this is a suction cup mount, believe it or not, most people don't know that the suction cup is actually removable from the mount itself. Once removed, you can use the mount as a small handle for your Nano, or because it's got that 1/4 inch mounting point on the bottom of it, you can use any selfie stick that has a 1/4 inch thread to mount this to the top of it. So there you go, you don't need to now go and buy an expensive selfie stick. You simply use that suction cup mount, remove the top section and mount it onto a cheap selfie stick and save yourself some money. Now we've already shown you the power bank to keep the monitor module fully charged. But what happens if you're out with the camera module on its own and you need to recharge it? Well, check out this special mount from Telsin. It looks like a standard quick release mounting point, but it has one special feature. Can you guess what it is? That's right, on its rear it has a USB-C port for charging the camera module up without the need of the monitor module. Built into this mount is the connecting pins to transfer power to that camera module. Simply plug in your power supply into the USB-C port and it will automatically start charging up your camera module. It comes with extendable prongs for mounting, and it also comes with a 1/4 inch mounting point. So yep, that's a really easy way to charge up your camera module without the need of your monitor module. The next accessory is this small rig clamp, which is absolutely essential if you do any type of cycling or motorcycling with your Osmo Nano. Now, as someone that's used loads of different models and brands of clamps, this is the best one that I've used so far. The ball joint makes it easy to move your Osmo Nano in any direction or at any angle. This clamp in particular is one of the lightest that I've tried, but also at the same time being one of the most strongest. And like I say, if you use your Nano on a mountain bike or motorbike, then this is the clamp to go for. Another added bonus with this clamp is, because it has that 1/4 inch mounting point, we can use that suction cup mount, take the top section and mount it onto our clamp. And our final accessory that I'm going to recommend is this small selfie light, again from the company Fly Mile. Now, what makes this light so special is it comes built in with a quick mount system for DJI products. And because it is so small and lightweight, it's a perfect companion for the DJI Osmo Nano. Now, the light isn't powerful enough to light up a stadium, but it's definitely strong enough to light up your face in them dark situations. It also comes with a cold shoe mount, and if you go with that cage that I recommended earlier, this is another perfect companion to that because it slips right into that cold shoe mount. So there you have it, that's our favourite accessories for the Osmo Nano. If you have any questions, put them down below. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see further content from myself, hit that subscribe button down there, and we'll catch up in that next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.